Today we explain numerical number 3 is write the cell reaction for the following cells. Question number 1 is Fe 2 plus salt bridge H2SO4 contact H2 into Et. It is a cell. The question asks, write the cell reaction for the following cell. We write cell reaction in the cell. First of all, we select anode and cathode. Then we explain cell reaction. First of all, we write answer and select anode and cathode. Fe is anode and H2 is cathode. H2 is a gas, therefore Pt write in electrode form. Here we write at a node. It is a node. We write Fe, which is a node, and it is a solution of a node. Therefore, we write Fe2 plus. First, write a node and write their solution. First of all, we balance the iron atom both sides, then balance charge. In left one Fe atom and right one Fe atom, both are equal. Here no charge, here two positive charge. Then we neutralize two positive charge. Two negative charge require to neutralize two positive charge. Therefore, here we write two electron. Two electron indicate two negative charge and two positive charge neutral by two negative charge. Now we see electrons are present right in the arrow. This indicate electron loss in the reaction. Therefore, here we write oxidation. Here we write oxidation. Oxidation occur on the anode. Now here we write at cathode. First of all, we write solution of cathode, then cathode. H2SO4 dissociate in the solution and decompose by H plus and SO4 minus. Here two hydrogen atom, therefore we write 2H plus. At cathode, first of all, we write solution. Here we write 2H plus and H2. H2 present, therefore only here write H, not write SO4. It is related to hydrogen ion. We balance the equation of cathode. Number of hydrogen atom 2 and number of hydrogen atom left 2 both are equal. There here no charge, here 2 positive charge, therefore we write 2 electron which neutralize 2 positive charge. In the cathode reaction, electron present in left of the arrow, therefore this indicate except electron. Here we write reduction. In reduction, electrons are accepted. Now we write cell reaction. Here we write cell reaction. We add the both reaction, half anode reaction and half cathode reaction. We see both reaction 2 electron and 2 electrons are present, both are equal, therefore these are cut out. We add the material. Here we write Fe plus 2 hydrogen ion gives Fe 2 plus and H2. These are cut out. If these are not equal, then we balance. Oxidation reduction combined called redox reaction. Here we write redox reaction. It is the answer of the first question. Now we write here second question. Second question is ZnCl2 HCl H2, Pt. It is a cell. We explain cell reaction in the cell. First of all, select anode and cathode. In the cell, Zn is anode and H2 is cathode. ZnCl2 is solution of the anode and HCl is solution of the cathode. Now we write at cathode, and now we write anode. It is a Zn in the form of anode. It is a solution of electrode which is called ZnCl2. If we dissociate in the ion Zn ion, the valency of Zn is 2, therefore here we write 2 positive charge. Zn we write and its valency 2, therefore we write Zn2 plus. First of all, we balance the atom. Here Zn1 atom, here Zn1 atom, these are equal. Here no charge, here 2 positive charge. We neutralize 2 positive charge. Here add 2 electron, 2 negative charge neutralize 2 positive charge. The electrons are present in the right of the arrow, therefore this reaction is oxidation. Here we write at cathode. It is a solution of cathode. it is a cathode. H plus and H2 and H are related. Therefore, first of all, here we write solution of cathode, and here we write cathode. We write cathode first of all. We write solution of cathode. H2 related into H plus. We dissociate HCl in the ion. We write H plus Cl minus. The valency of hydrogen is 1. Therefore, we write 1 positive charge due to hydrogen is positive radical. Cl, the valency of chlorine is 1. We write here negative 1 due to valency of chlorine negative in electronegative radical. Now balance the equation. Here 2 hydrogen, here 1 hydrogen. We write 2 and both are equal. Here no charge, here 2 positive charge. 1 and 2 multiply, we get 2 positive charge. We neutralize 2 electron by 2 positive charge. The electrons are present in left of the arrow. Therefore, it is a reduction. It is a reduction. Removing part, we see 2e, 2e, both are equal. Therefore, any digit not multiply in the equation. We add the reaction is called cell reaction. Here we write Zn plus 2H plus. These are cut out. Here we write Zn2 plus and H2. It is a redox reaction. Now we write third question. Third question is PT, H2, HCl, salt bridge Cl2, PT. In the cell, hydrogen gas is cathode and chlorine gas is anode, not anode. It is a anode and it is cathode. HCl is a solution of cathode and anode, both electrode. Here we write answer. We know that we write first at anode. In the cell, H2 is anode and H plus is the solution of anode. It dissociates H plus Cl minus. It is a anode solution, it is a cathode solution. Both solutions are present in HCl. We write hydrogen reaction at anode. Here 2 hydrogen, here 1 hydrogen. Therefore, we write 2 hydrogen, both sides. These are equal. Here no charge, here 2 positive charge. Therefore, here add 2 electron neutralize 2 positive charge. 2 electron present in right of the arrow. Therefore, it is a oxidation. We write at cathode. Cl minus is solution of cathode and Cl2 is cathode. but it is a negative sign, therefore we write opposite here Cl2 and here Cl minus. Here 2 chlorine atom, here 1 chlorine atom, therefore we write here 2 and both are equal. Here 2 negative charge, here neutral, therefore we write opposite of negative charge, and 2 electron we write both are equal. The electron present in left of the arrow, therefore it is a reduction. Now we add the reaction which is called cell reaction. Cell reaction. We see removing part 2e, 2e both are equal. We not multiply any digit in any reaction. We write here H2 and Cl2. These are cut out. Here we write 2H plus 2Cl minus. It is called redox reaction. Or we write H2 plus Cl2 gives 2HCl. 2 common, 1 positive charge is neutralized by 1 negative charge. Question 4 is ZnS Zn2 plus AQ Cu2 plus AQ and CuS. It is a very simple. We explain question. Here we write at a node. It is a node. We write Zn. It is a solution of a node. Here we write Zn2 plus AQ. It is a very easy. Zn1 and Zn1 both are equal. No charge. Therefore we neutralize 2 positive charge. Here we add 2 electron and which neutralize 2 positive charge. It is a oxidation. It is a oxidation. We write at cathode. It is a solution of cathode. It is a cathode. We balance the equation. C1 and C1 both are equal. Here 2 positive charge, here no charge. Therefore we neutralize 2 positive charge. Here we write 2 electrons. 2 electrons are present in left of the arrow, therefore it is a reduction. Now add the reaction which called cell reaction. We see removing part 2 electron and 2 electron. These are equal. Not multiply any digit in any reaction. Now we add ZnS plus Cu plus AQ. AQ indicate aqueous solution. These are cut out. Zn2 plus AQ plus CuS. It is redox reaction.